According to Teslarati, a new study suggests electric vehicle battery replacement costs could soon undercut gas engine repairs. By 2030, replacing a battery pack might cost as little as $4,500 for a large 100 kilowatt-hours pack or $3,375 for a standard 75 kilowatt-hours pack. This is a sharp drop to just 30% of 2020 replacement costs. Goldman Sachs predicts battery prices will reach $80 per kilowatt-hour by 2026, down from 2023 levels. By 2030, estimates range between $32 and $64 per kilowatt-hour, with companies like CATL already offering lithium iron phosphate cells at $56 per kilowatt-hour. Lower prices are driven by declining costs of battery metals like lithium and cobalt, which make up 60% of battery expenses. Goldman Sachs attributes 40% of the price drop to reduced commodity costs following green inflation from 2020 to 2023. These reductions could make electric vehicles more affordable for consumers and profitable for manufacturers. You are listening to Yuan News.